beautiful anchorage for tonight.
We've got these beautiful looking almost like rock pools, super clear water, and we have it all to ourselves and all these beautiful rock structures. Yeah, we love it. Do you love it?
Yeah, I definitely love it.
Along the shoreline. It's got so many different colors, the water, and there's actually quite a bit of fish in here. They almost are kind of like rock pools. So beautiful, and it just feels really, I don't know, majestic. Just so many rocks to climb, beautiful water, and just nobody but us out here. Brian's over there trying to catch some trout. I think he's already caught one.
Before this video continues, we'd like to invite you to join the crew and show some love through Patreon.
Boat life don't come cheap, so if you'd like to support us and help us to keep improving and making amazing content, then become a patron and you get access to 1 week early release videos, Patreon exclusive content, one-on-one chats with us and the community, and even the opportunity to come aboard for a drink or even a sail.
Yeah, and the cheapest tier is only $3, which doesn't seem like much, but means a lot to us. And if you don't feel like supporting with your wallet, that's fine too. We appreciate all the love through likes, shares, and comments as well.
Okay, that's enough talking about money. Let's get back to the video.
So just making up a bit of a batter for the fish, which is flour, egg, some spices, and curry powder, the secret. So I'm mixing that up. Got some fresh cold trout that we caught around the rocks, and Poppy's made a lovely fillet. So we're going to cut that up into small little chunks and do like kind of battered crumb fish bites. how good's the view?
Yep.
We couldn't get much closer to the beach without actually beaching it.
It's delightful.
Yeah, it's super sheltered in here. We're hoping we'll see some glowing algae tonight that we can swim with it off the back. We need to eat good because we're going to be doing lots of hiking, eh, puppy?
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going all the way up there.
Freshly crispy coral trap, fresh tomatoes, avocado, some cooked cabbage. It's gonna be delicious. Cheers!
Cheers!
These look delicious!
Look at that!
So excited.
Yum. My mouth is watering.
Yeah. They're also massive.
Massive.
Mm.
Yum.
That's so good.
It's kind of creepy. So it's early in the morning, your favorite time.
Yep.
And the sun is not up yet, so we're gonna try and make to the top of this mountain that we've never been up. We just had a look during the day. And get up there for sunrise, hopefully. See how we go.
Yep.
Yep. And it's super gusty.
Yeah, it was a rough sleep.
We slept on the nets last night and it felt like we were going to be blown off. Anyway, once we get moving, it will come good.
Llegaste a mí como una luz de primavera, con aire puro que libera mi corazón. Llegaste a mí con amor libre y sincero. Lo que yo siento es verdadero amor por ti.
We made it to the top,
Yay!
and it's bloody beautiful.
Yeah, it's such a nice vantage point of the island.
It was so windy.
Yeah.
Cada día tu amor me da felicidad y despierta cosas que nunca sentí jamás. Creo que nunca entenderás lo que siento por ti, lo que siento por